Hey Oscar, wanna race?
Isn't that one of those new Turbo Force races by any chance?
Yep, it sure is.
Well, that's fine, because I got one too.
Oh, you're on!
Wait. You wouldn't race without me, would you?
It's new from VTech Partners, the new Turbo Force races.
You put them on your wrist like this and then you team up with your buddies to race them.
Got it.
Your car is stored inside your wrist station. This is where your car charges getting ready to race.
Yeah, that's right, Beau. And the cool thing about these is that they're remote controlled. You can control them using the buttons on your wrist station.
Yeah, there's also a turbo button on your wrist station which you can charge by shaking your wrist. And it gives you an extra boost when racing.
Yeah, these babies go really fast. And if you include the racetrack, they can do all sorts of cool things. Like tricks, stunts, and loops. Thank you VTech for sponsoring my video today. Now let's get racing. The racetrack is a pretty cool extra for the Turbo Force races. Although it's fairly straightforward to set up, it's useful to have a grown-up around to help you.
Hey, last piece.
Yes, guys. You want to race, Matthew?
Yeah,
you got to race with the king.
I'll be here. Yeah, I'll be here.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1, go! No, 3.
Need more turbo. Yes, I hear you.
Come on, I can do it. God, I won. Let's see how I won, partners. Although Matthew had a head start on me around the track, my turbo racer had enough turbo juice to fly over the jump onto the top track, and that flips you onto the inside track at super speed, giving me a narrow victory. 4 colours to collect: red, yellow, blue, and green. But if you collect the racetrack, you get orange. And the great thing about the racetrack is it can be built 4 different ways.
Anyone else ready to race? I'm ready.
Ready? 3,
Yep.
2, 1, go!
Time for a turbo boost.
You're not even winning, what I am!
The loop. Yes, the jump. Yes, first. Yes.
Second.
Loser.
Second, but...
Sadly, we've reached the end of the video. Me, Matthew, and Oscar really enjoyed it today. It was really fun playing with the turbo races. Do you fancy racing me and my friends at Kidtropolis? Because we're going to be there October the 19th. You can ask your parents if you want to be there, because all 3 of us are going to be there. You can meet us and, you know, we can race. And let's see who's the real champ.
We'll beat you.
And I'll see you
Yeah, we'll
in the next one.
We're coming for
Kidtropolis.
you. We're coming for you.
Bye.
We will. Bye.